What if our familiar moon, that glowing orb that has guided us through countless nights, was suddenly replaced by another Earth-like planet? This intriguing thought experiment allows us to explore the potential implications and impacts of such an event. Consider the arrival of this new celestial neighbor. Unlike our barren and airless moon, this Earth-like planet would likely have an atmosphere and oceans, maybe even life forms. Imagine the breathtaking sight of a second Earth orbiting our own, visible in the night sky. Now, think about the tidal effects and gravitational interactions. The gravitational pull from a second Earth, significantly larger than the moon, would cause more extreme tides. This could reshape coastlines, disrupt marine ecosystems, and alter the rhythm of the ocean's ebb and flow. The stability of Earth's orbit would also come into question. The gravitational dance between the two Earths could influence our axial tilt and orbital path around the Sun. Over time, this could lead to changes in our climate and seasons, potentially even altering global weather patterns. The implications for life on Earth would be profound. If this new celestial body also harbors life, it would prompt us to question the origins and prevalence of life in the universe. The potential exchange of materials between the two worlds could introduce new elements or organisms to Earth, reshaping our biosphere. The appearance of a second Earth would certainly herald a new era of scientific exploration and discovery. Telescopes, probes, and manned missions would be directed towards this new planet, with the goal of understanding its composition, atmosphere, and potential habitability. The knowledge gained could revolutionize our understanding of planetary formation and the conditions necessary for life. Beyond science, a second Earth would have cultural and philosophical implications. It could inspire new perspectives on our place in the universe, our uniqueness as a species, and the potential diversity of life beyond Earth. In essence, the concept of a second Earth replacing our moon invites us to ponder the vast mysteries of the cosmos. While purely speculative, it serves as a reminder of our delicate planetary balance and the wonders that lie beyond our atmosphere. So look up at the sky tonight and let your imagination wander to the possibilities of what could be.